Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a copy of your Google account data in just a few seconds. So this is very useful if you want to get like a backup of all your information and all the data you have in your Google account. So let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is going into your profile up here at the top right, then go to manage your Google account. And here you will click the data and privacy setting. Go to the left, click it, and scroll down until you see this option to download your data. This will make a copy of your data and back it up. So I'm gonna click here, and here you can select the data you want. As you can see, it will export a copy of the content in your Google account to back it up, or use it outside of Google. So you can select the data you want to include and just select everything. In my case, I'm gonna select everything. You can see this is all the information and data you will be exporting. Now scroll down, go to next step, and here you need to select where you want to get this copy. You can get it on Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. In my case, I want to get it on my email, so I'm gonna leave it like this. And you can choose between exporting a copy just once or export a copy every 2 months for a year. I'm gonna just export once. Then you can also choose the file type. I will leave this by default, and the file limit will be 2 gigabytes. So if your export is bigger than this size, it will be split into multiple files. Now I'm gonna create this export, and you get this message saying that this process can take hours or days to complete, but you will get an email when your export is done. So that's it. Now we just need to wait, and we will get it in our mail. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.